Ready to unlock a world of effortless digital banking? Let's get your Ubank account open and ready to go in just a few simple steps. First things first, make sure you meet the eligibility criteria. Generally, you'll need to be an Australian resident aged 18 years or over and have a valid Australian residential address. You'll also need to be a tax resident of Australia. Now head over to the Ubank website. You'll see a clear option to open an account. Click on it to begin your application. Get ready to share some basic personal details. This includes your full name, date of birth, email address, and mobile number. Double check everything for accuracy. It's important. Next, you'll need to enter your Australian residential address. If it's different from your postal address, you'll have a chance to provide that too. Ubank prioritizes security, so identity verification is essential. You'll typically be asked to provide details from a valid Australian driver's license or passport. You might also be prompted to upload a clear photo of your chosen document, so have it handy. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully for the document upload. Ensure your document is valid and all details are legible. This step is crucial for a smooth process. Once all your details are entered and your documents are verified, you'll reach a review page. Take a moment to read through your application and confirm everything is correct. And just like that, you've successfully opened your Ubank account online. You'll receive a confirmation message, and Ubank will guide you on how to access your new digital banking services and start managing your money.